guys, Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coast community. Today, I have some exciting news regarding Busch Gardens Williamsburg reopening. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And before you say anything, yes, I'm wearing contacts. Let me know what you think of them. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. But getting back to the subject at hand, Busch Gardens Williamsburg announced that they're going to be reopening to the general public on August 6th. Reservations have already started, and let me tell you guys something. They are sold out for members as of right now, and special member sneak peek day is also sold out. There is literally nobody that can get that spot. If you got it, you got it. Congrats, because I wasn't able to get it. I was able to get at least one day. I'm not going to say what day. I want to be a surprise for you guys. If you see me there, say what's up or something. If you want a picture, I'll do it from a distance. But really, they're just going to be opening for a little bit, guys. Like, they haven't even said if they're going to be opening for September. This is essentially going to be through August 6th to August 16th. Basically, they're going to have separate times. One's going to be 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the other one's going to be 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you're going to have one basically in the morning / afternoon and another one in the evening. Now, this event is pretty cool. It's called Coasters and Craft Brews. They're going to have 20 local and craft beers there. Now, it's going to take place at Grogan's Pub. It's going to be at basically one location as of right now, obviously because of everything that's happening. And there's also going to be parts of the park closed off. So like Germany, you won't really be able to go over there, and certain other areas of the park you won't be able to go over to. There's only going to be 3 coasters open, and then they're going to have 3 other rides. But the 3 coasters are going to be Griffin, Invader, and Loch Ness Monster. So I'm really excited that they're going to at least do Griffin. I kind of wish they would have did Verboten. That would have been cool, but I understand why not. And the other 3 rides are going to be Finnegan's Flyer. You also have Lake Catapult, and then they're going to have one kids ride open. As far as food, there's only going to be one spot that we know of that's going to be open. That one's called Trapper Smokehouse. They're actually really good. They serve some nice food there. It's going to be interesting seeing how everything's going to be taking place. Obviously, they do have new procedures in place, like social distancing will remain in full effect there. If you are over the age of 2, you must wear a mask. Obviously, that makes the most sense. There's also going to be hand sanitizing stations around the park, as well as enhanced cleaning procedures. They will have some animal areas open, so you can look at the animals like the horses and whatnot, and a few shopping areas will also be open. So hopefully they may have some merch ready. I don't know if they have any ready yet. Obviously, I'll see when I get down there. I might try to get something for sure. I think honestly the fact that they're even opening is pretty surprising. Obviously, a lot of people kind of started thinking that it wasn't going to happen, but honestly what's crazy is that we just kept hearing more and more info. Shout out to BGW fans for getting a lot of that information for us. Oh, and also, if you aren't a member, you also can purchase a ticket for $44.99, basically $45 after tax, and general parking is going to be $10. They recommend that you buy it ahead of time. That way you won't have to be in contact with many guests or employees. But I hope to see some of you all there. If not, you'll see a video coming very soon. I'm very excited to go to this park. That's going to do it for today's video. Hope you all did enjoy, and if you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to join the O Squad, it's free. Just click the subscribe button. That's all you have to do. Really would appreciate it, and also helps the YouTube algorithm so people can see more content and whatnot like this. Don't forget to enable those push notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys, peace out.